Sacred Heart of Jesus, Fountain of mercy and burning love, I come before you with confidence and trust. You are my refuge in every storm, my strength in every battle, and my peace in every fear. Heart of Jesus, so full of compassion, embrace me with your tenderness and healing. Where there is weakness, give me strength. Where there is confusion, give me clarity. Where there is sorrow, give me comfort. Where there is sin, give me forgiveness and new life. Sacred Heart of Jesus, I place my family, my home, and my future within the shelter of your divine love. Cover us with your protection, guide us with your wisdom, and surround us with your holy presence. Let your heart be my resting place, my hidden sanctuary, my hope in the midst of uncertainty. I trust that your love